Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create page numbering in Google Docs with Roman numbering. So it's very easy. First, you can open a Google Docs, and as you can see, I have 3 pages here, and I'm gonna create a Roman page numbering. The first thing you have to do is you can go to your first page and place your cursor at the end of the first page like this at the end of the first page, and then go to insert here, then and then choose break here, and then choose section break next page. After that, you can go to your footer or header, it's up to you. And then in the next page you can just uncheck here, link to previous, you can uncheck here, and then you can go to your footer, and then you can click insert here, and then you can click symbol, and then special characters, then you can search Roman, and then you can place the number here like this, and then as you can see 1, and then you can do it again manually, insert symbol, special characters, search Roman, and place number 2 like this, and so on. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.